a very small story of a small country called Bangladesh. In 2015, Bangladesh was exporting $25 billion of garments and apparel to the world, and they had a plan that by 2025, they want to grow their exports, double it to $50 billion. We're in 2022 today, sir. Last year in 2021, they actually hit their plan of $50 billion 4 years in advance. They have more than 4.2 million jobs today, and their manufacturing contribution in 2015 was 16% of their GDP. Today it is 22% of their GDP, and I'm so happy that KAM is now thinking that they want to go back to their glory of 20% manufacturing contribution by 2030. So it is possible. Bangladesh has done it, Kenya can do it. And just to give you a little bit of perspective of manufacturing contribution by other countries, China, 28% of their manufacturing contribution to GDP, Egypt in our backyard, 30% of their manufacturing contribution to their GDP, India 16%, South Africa 14%, and if Kenya is at 7.2%, over the years it's come down from 20. It's a shame, but it's better to be honorable and accept there is a problem, and let's move on and let's deliver that plan. So, Your Excellency, going back to the textile apparel sector, it's probably one of the biggest supply chains in the world, huge market opportunity. Kenya today is the largest exporter under AGOA to the US. That is our number 3 export. It has overtaken coffee, which is now number 4. It was $500 million, like the chairman said, and it's got 52,000 jobs. But this opportunity ahead of us, just one market, the United States, is $100 billion. If we start looking at European Union, 27 countries, another $150 billion. The total pie is $800 billion. And to me, the only lesson I know from business school is size of the pie, slice of the pie. So if the size of the pie in the US under AGOA is $100 billion, and our contribution of export contribution to that pie is $500 million, there's no need to chest thump and say, oh, we are the biggest, we're the best in Africa. Yes, you are. But globally, what have you done? You're 0.5% of US imports. It's a shame. We are duty-free. Bangladesh is doing much more than dutiable. So it's a big shame for us, and there's a serious opportunity for us in one sector. And in that one sector, we have no factories left in our Hathi River EPZ, full. I know this morning, Your Excellency, you talked about Naivasha. It can be a reality. It can deliver 100,000 jobs, just one park. And we really don't have an option. We need to create jobs. And Your Excellency, I'm fortunate enough that I've had this conversation with you. But yes, your agenda is spot on. You told me you have 3 agendas. Agenda number 1, jobs. Agenda number 2, jobs. Agenda number 3, jobs. I think that, Your Excellency, this sector will deliver that opportunity. And it's a huge opportunity as we connect the pipeline back into the farm gates, the farmers, the field to fashion story that the chairman talked about. It's possible and it can happen. And this is the serious opportunity ahead of us that we should not lose. I know Jadida talked about the leather sector, but one thing she didn't talk about, the leather business in the US is $27 billion. Kenya has got 0% of that business. The leather shoe import duty into the United States is 60%, under AGOA is 0. It's an opportunity they've not even touched. So these 2 sectors, which are part of the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, will deliver the jobs you want, and I'm so happy you put them on your agenda. Asanteni sana. God bless you, sir.